removing an old retainer wall that failed, it's fallen over. We're going back and installing a new wooden retainer wall, about 7 to 8 foot exposed, using 8 foot plywood, stainless steel, 5/8 tie back. Got some pictures here. We're getting started. I'm going to do this one in several videos again because it's quite a big project. We'll probably be on it 2 to 3 weeks. We got probably about 400 foot wall installed. If you would, subscribe to the channel, like, share, hit the notification button, then you're going to know when we post the next video. Subscribe and like. Thanks. Here's some drone footage of the 2 retainer walls that we are removing. The upper and middle wooden retainer walls will be taken out. Guys are actually cleaning the lumber up here now, getting it bundled up to take it to our reclaim center. We'll get all this removed. There's some palm stumps down there we're going to have to dig out, get those dug out, and then we'll be installing a new 8 foot high retainer wall in this place. Here is the eastern side of the property. We'll be installing a new retainer wall that divides the property from the wetland area. This will help protect the property from eroding over into the wetlands. Here's an area here that we're fixing to install a new retainer wall going along these wetland area inside the homeowner's property. We're going to get this area defined so they can retain their yard. Here's some more of that same area working its way out there. Came across a little critter right here. Trying to come out of the swamp. We'll end up connecting right up here with this other retainer wall. Dug out the lower seawall here, and there's a return wall that returned alongside this fiberglass sheet piling wall. We're going to try to get this a little bit better connection between the 2 walls so there's not a gap in between the neighbor's wall and this wall for somebody to fall down on the side of. This is pretty important. Make sure you get a real good connection. Obviously this one here was not a good connection. You can see just open holes there where stuff can wash out, but what we're going to do is clean all that out, run some timber over to the fiberglass wall, and then back it up with some erosion control cloth. Let the water go out, but keep the sand on this side. But there we go. We got the bulkheading ran over to the fiberglass wall, got the filter cloth installed, got a nice tight fit, should have no leaks in this area. We've gotten the old retainer walls removed over here. We've dug it down, removed all of the palm tree root bases that were along the shoreline here. We had several of them in this area. Now we're installing the 8-inch pilings. The guys are installing the double lower 2-bait whaler right now. Then we'll have an upper 2-bait whaler also. This will be probably a 7 foot exposed retainer wall. $48.25? Okay. Alright. Here's one of the wooden retainer walls that we'll be removing. Actually built out of plywood. Don't think I've ever seen one like this before. Down. Down. The guys are installing a double rough cut 2-bait whaler here. There'll be one top and bottom. And then on top of that, we'll be installing a double layer of rough cut 1x8 by 12 foot bulkheading. If y'all would subscribe to the channel, like and share, hit the notification bell. Like I said earlier, I'm going to do this in several videos because it's going to be quite a large project to fit all in one video. Thanks.